Poor maintenance of your HVAC system might be quietly costing you hundreds every year without you realizing it. But before you call a technician, here are 4 simple fixes you can do yourself to save some cash and protect your system. Tip number 4, replace or clean your air filter. Something as simple as a dirty air filter could increase your energy waste by 15%. When it's clogged, it forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy bills and wear on the system. Most filters slide out in seconds. Check it monthly during winter and summer. If it looks gray, replace it. This single step alone can save you a few bucks. Tip number 3, clear the area around your outdoor unit. HVAC systems operate efficiently when air flows freely through every vent in your home. If you have leaves, dirt, plants, or even snow buildup, it can choke the system. Walk through your home once a month, clear obstructions, and gently hose off dirt from the fins. This will help your unit run cooler, last longer, and avoid mid-season breakdowns. Tip number 2, check your vents and ducts. Blocked vents force your HVAC system to overwork, creating hot and cold spots in your home. Walk through each room and check if your vents are covered by furniture or curtains. If they are, move them aside to fully balance airflow and attain a consistent temperature throughout the year. Tip number 1, check your thermostat. Constantly changing your thermostat settings strains your system. Your thermostat controls more than just temperature. It also affects the efficiency of your HVAC systems. Use program schedules. Lower it slightly when you're sleeping or away in winter, and raise it when you're out in summer. If you constantly adjust your thermostat, stop doing it right now. These small maintenance steps can extend the life of your HVAC system and reduce energy bills, all without calling a professional.